Hello everyone. Today we have the new smartphone from Lenovo. We'll be unboxing this device. This is Lenovo Vive X2. Uh, this is available on Flipkart for a price of approximately 20,000. So this is the new offering from Lenovo at the price range of around 20k. So we'll be checking out how the device is and how it performs. But first of all, in this video we'll be only talking about what's inside this box. So as you can see, this is the box of Lenovo Vive X2, and the packing looks a bit different. Usually other smartphones comes with a box kind of retail packing, but this appears to be different. So as you can see, this is the outer wrapper basically, which tells you that Lenovo Vive X2 is a smartphone which is powered by 2 GHz True 8 core processor by MediaTek with wide view full HD display and with a camera of 13 megapixel front and 5 megapixel 13 megapixel main rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. Apart from that, it is powered by Android. If you want to be specific, it is powered by Android KitKat 4.4.2, right? The CPU, as we already told you, that is from MediaTek octa-core processor, which is specifically MT6595 2 GHz True 8 core. The display is 5-inch. In terms of memory, it comes with 2 GB of RAM, right? Apart from that, it is powered by a battery of 2300 mAh lithium polymer battery. So this is the wrapper. We'll just have a look on the box itself. Sorry for the zoom in. Yeah, so this is the box. As you can see, retail box. On the top it tells you that it comes with free back cover and screen guard, right? Apart from that, the logo of Lenovo and its kind of hologram at the top. Here it is the MediaTek logo, which tells you that it comes with True 8 core processor. Apart from that, on the back you have some usual information like model, which is Lenovo X2 AP. Apart from that, this is a gold color device, right? And the price mentioned here is 26,999. That is approximately 27,000, but this device is available at Flipkart for 20k. So we'll check it out. Let's see what's inside. As we told you, this is a different kind of box, so we just take it out. This is your Lenovo Vive X2 smartphone, and another thing is there. This is the other portion of the box. So we'll just put them side by side. Apart from that, there is nothing inside this box. So as you can see, this is the top box, right? So check it out, what's in it. So as you can see, this is your Lenovo Vive X2. It appears to be quite rectangular in shape, in fact, but with a metallic body. Something different which you'll see here in terms of design is that you can see 4 layers of metallic kind of structure, which when combined gives you this phone, right? So we'll talk about all these things in detail in our detailed review. For the time being, we'll just have a look on the outer structure. This comes with non-removable battery, so battery is inside and we cannot remove it to check out how it looks from inside. So this is your volume rocker Apart from that, this is power button. Hopefully you are able to distinguish the buttons. This is power button, this is volume rocker. Apart from that, this is the 3.5 mm jack. This is your speakers, and this is the 5 megapixel front camera. And then this is for the SIM slot. This is a dual SIM device. You can just pull this SIM tray out and put your SIM card here. This is your micro USB port, which can be used for data transfer as well as for charging the device. Apart from that, this is the mic, right? So this is it. This is how it looks from outside. Let's see what's more inside it. As you can see, here is a screen guard which comes for free with this retail box. And then we have something else here. As you can see, these are the manuals. YX2 quick start guide. Apart from that, this is a warranty card. This is something new, means a tray which is used for putting these two things in the box, right? So and let's check out what's inside this. As you can see, this is the micro USB cable which can be used for data transfer as well as for charging using this adapter. This adapter looks good, and is it enough? We'll try to check it out what the capacity is. We are unable to find it. Yeah, it is sorry, we cannot make it out. Maybe we'll check it out later on. So this is the adapter. Apart from that, these are the earphones which you can see how it is. This is the earphones from Lenovo which can be used for this smartphone, right? So these are the box content. Apart from that, we have nothing else. So so that's it. We'll check out in more detail when we do our initial review and full review. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Thank you.